pour some meat and drink and means warmth. How much may we put you down for, Mr. Scrooge?
Nothing.
You wish to remain anonymous?
I wish to be left alone. I don't make merry myself at Christmas time, and I can't afford to make idle people merry. I support those institutions I have mentioned, and I expect the poor to make use of them. Those who are badly off must go there.
Many cannot go there, and many would rather die.
If they'd rather die, they'd better do it and decrease the surplus population. Mr. Cratchit, would you show these gentlemen out?
Sees a troubled mind. Glad tidings of great joy I bring to you and all mankind. To you in David's town this day is born of David's line. I'm going to try Scrooge's. Good King Wenceslas looked out on the face of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when upon